experience we have.
Yeah.
Amen.
Itong camcorder na to, ang tagal na nito.
Model yan eh.
No, here, I'm recording very
What
good.
nung dumating kami ng estate,
Sir,
80 years old na to.
Papa, I send it to you. What? Record it.
You send that video, huh?
Yes.
Hey, hi!
Okay.
Philippines! Christ Baptist Church and Bible Baptist Church, Vietnam.
Amen. Hi, Pastor Conway.
Danan. And ano yan?
Wow.
Okay. Ho Chi Minh. And
Hoyan.
Won Chi.
Oh,
And Hoi An.
And Long Tan.
Long Tan.
And
Bana, here.
Bana Hill.
Mana Hills, cable.
Ang bira sa
We're
mata.
here
We're inside.
inside the cable car.
Within the fog.
Di ba to cloud?
You can see outside. You cannot see outside. Cloud.
You see the fog?
Very dark.
Oh, my goodness, you cannot see.
Akala ko isang bundok lang eh. Kaya sabi ko, ay hindi, mas mataas yung sa Hong Kong. Ay, ang bira, diretso.
Meron pang second eh.
Meron pa ho palang yun.
Mas mataas mo dito pa.
Mas mataas to. Mas mahaba, mas mataas. Mas masarap sumakay. Haba eh. Galing. Dinaan sa tuktok ng gubat eh.
Very nice.
Bundukan.
Very quiet. Eh?
Yeah, very peaceful.
Dito lang sa cable car na to, talo na ang Pilipinas eh.
Oo nga. Walang ganito sa
Pag nangyari pa yung mga ano doon.
The entertainment. It's like a community. They are building a small community up. Like a community, but it's an entertainment.
Yeah. And also they build one French house,
French house.
French group
Ano yun?
house.
Hotel.
French community.
Yung
French hotel.
yung style daw ng hotel na yun, ginawa doon, tinatakbo nila yun sa French.
The style is French.
From France.
That's why many French visitors.
Yeah.
Australian.
Australian also. Mountain resort. Wow.
Hindi nga.
One of the treasures of Vietnam.
Yeah.
Sa Pilipinas may ganito rin.
Baka meron pang
There's
Amerikanong
no
nakaano dyan
like
ah.
this in the
Ano po?
Philippines.
Straggler.
You know, Mom,
Kala na, hindi pa pasanggera.
here's many places like this.
Oh, may nagtatago pa dyan.
It's not cap, but you know Dalat. Where we
Dalat.
church we went. The
Yeah,
picture. It's
yeah.
very beautiful also. If
I,
you go
I
out-
saw that in the Facebook, right?
Yeah, but if outside you look in if look light, you can see it's more beautiful.
Nature.
And in the northern, the same like this, very high and very cold. I hope that I can bring you there one day.
Northern part.
It's the same like this because it's the mountain, the hill very high also, higher than here,
Higher than here.
higher than here, and many people and very the culture is more than that because many group people
In Danan.
no in the other place in
Northern part.
northern part and many
North Vietnam.
yeah and many like they wearing it's mean they're Vietnamese but they have own language and
Oh,
own culture and many kind of that very interesting but I never been even me I never been there.
The one eating people daw.
the one eating people.
The cannibals.
They die already.
Dialect, the language are
Yun daw.
different.
Na nakalagpas na tayo sa after 7.
Bihira. Parang nababa sa Ferris wheel, oh. Parang malaki, bilog.
Sir, Pastor, have one place is very, very beautiful, and visitor want to go there than here. City, Nha Trang City, Vinpearland. You heard about that? Vinpearland.
Isn't that one?
Very nice. Jerry been already. I not yet, but it's cheap also, and we can go there. Before I